Hello, this is Aletha McManama, your digital marketing maven, bringing you another video tour. This time I want to show you how to manage your comments section on your WordPress blog. And I'm already under my comments right now, as I've already clicked on the comments here, and you'll be able to see what's going on in your comments section. I've got one pending that needs to be approved, and I'll show you quickly how you can set that up so that whenever someone posts a comment on your blog, how you can go in and manage that so that it has to be moderated first before it can be published live on your site. Another section too I want to cover with you is spam, and you will receive a lot of spam comments that come into your site, and you can manage those that will allow it to go into the spam section and not over into your pending section by using the Kismet plugin. So right now I just want to show you, right now I have a pending comment, and it lets you know when you're in your WordPress site that it's highlighted in almost like a yellow background. It's letting me know that I can approve it, I can reply, quick edit, I can hit it, put it into spam, trash, or I can remove the love comment piece that's right here shown with the little heart sign. So I'm going to approve that because I know that this is a reliable commenter on my site and they're not spam, so I'm going to click approve. And once I do that, the next thing I'm going to do, of course, is I want to reply to my comments that come in. And I'll do that at a later time, but I just want to let you know you can just quick hit reply, type in your comment, and then just hit the reply button right here on the right. Anything that comes in with spam, and I'm just going to click on spam, and you can usually identify it by number one, there's not a picture being used for their avatar. And then just some of the names that are coming up. They seem to have legitimate comments, some of them, but they're really, really vague. That's a good indicator if something's not right about this. It sure seems like it's a spam comment that's being left. Then of course off to the right it'll tell you which blog article that they're spamming on. It's always funny because some of these comments will look almost exactly the same, but they're coming from a different URL or a different email address. Again, these usually drop into the spam folder. However, you may find one or two of these sitting inside of your pending folder. You can either review it and say, well, it's spam, if it's not spam, and then of course there are some that come into the spam section that not necessarily are spam, and a good indicator is there'll be a avatar image. There will be a legitimate comment based on the name of that article, and I've had that happen to me several times, so you just got to review this section as well when you're going through. Okay, if you want to be able to manage how your comments are coming in, the other section to look at under settings is your discussion section, and this is where you can allow how many comments. If you want anyone to post a comment, that's great. A comment is held for moderation. I have that box checked because I do want to make sure that I read each and every one of those comments that come in, and sometimes there'll be a little bit of misspelling in that comment. Well, that'll allow me to go in and edit it as well. So whenever I approve it, I can edit it, and then I can make it live on that particular post they're commenting on. An administrator must always approve the comment. Yes, absolutely. I don't necessarily feel like that comment, an author must have a previously approved comment, so I never select that box right here. Anything else that you want to select, you can. It's just you have control over anything that is comment related on your site, making sure you check your settings to do so. One other thing I want to show you quickly was under the plugins, the one I have using for blog comments, and it's very popular, and it comes with the default install of WordPress, and it's called a Kismet. The one thing you have to do though is you will be asked to sign up for an API, a Kismet API key with WordPress.com, and I'd certainly recommend you do that for each and every one of your blogs, as you need to have one per blog, so you will need to make sure you don't use the same API key for each blog site you have. And that will conclude today's video tour of the comments section of your WordPress blog.